about the Evaglide Contract Hand Drawn profile. The Evaglide Contract Hand Drawn is a 20mm by 20mm profile. It's a heavy duty hand drawn system and comes with a strong, robust powder coated profile. It's available in 3 colours including white, silver and black, all of which come with colour coordinated components including end caps, brackets and carriers. There are multiple bracket options available, from a 25cm triple bracket all the way down to a 35mm wall bracket and top fix. The track itself is very easy to assemble and is available in a made to measure service, or you can buy components to assemble yourself. It's compatible with multiple heading types and can be supplied with a standard carrier or a ball bearing carrier, which is ideal for use on very heavy curtains. But it can also suit our Easi Flex, Easi Wave and Easi Fold. Because of the size of the profile of the track, this can also be suited with a roller glider within the Easi Flex system. It also comes with a stop carrier to prevent spring back, and also has twist end stops to create a static heading. The profile can be bent internally and externally to a 20cm radius and can also be curved to a 50cm radius. It will take weights of up to 16 kilos per metre, making it suitable for both domestic and contract situations, and as with all of our curtain tracks, does come with a 10-year warranty. Thank you.